back here in Main Street and Broadway once again. I reckon I'm gonna cross over here, so. This one still does not work. As always, okay, I think this one, the speaker got broken or something, or what? Yeah, the speaker's broken. But we'll be crossing Main Street now. And then after that, we'll be crossing Broadway. So Main Street goes first, Broadway goes second, so. Yeah. You know, this one needs to be replaced with a new button, I think. Because one of these buttons don't work. Like, even though this one's gonna be, like, it's not cool. This still does not work. That crosswalk button is broken. I think this one needs to be replaced. Yeah, so you guys gonna hear the countdown on this one. So hear the countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, here we go. This one does not work. I guess this one's not working here. This one needs to be replaced, I think. I think this one's gonna be like a short video. I don't know. Let's walk over here. Alright, that's it.